Let's go! It's Neal with Friday University, and in today's video, I'm going to go over why Zoom stock is the best pick to buy and hold over the next couple months. I'm very bullish on this stock. Let's go. And notice how at the beginning of the year, it was at about $60. So the percent return over the year to date is 400%. And over the last couple days, it has a nice run up because of another positive earnings. That goes to show stocks that do well over the year continue to do well, while stocks that do bad continue to do bad. It's called the cockroach effect. Now, more people continue to buy, pump this stock up because the projections for the next quarter will be even better. And notice how the stock was in a channel for a little bit around below 280, above 240. And guess what? The bulls won. And this time is the same kind of thing that happened last time. Bears were trying to push it down, bulls were bringing it up, and the bulls won. Keep in mind, don't fight the trend, go with the trend. And now that the price at 325, ask yourself, is it worth buying? Actually, it's at 460 in the pre-market. It went up another 40% pre-market. Goes to show this stock has so much more room to grow, and people can't even put a price on it because of how valuable it is to colleges and companies across the world using Zoom. So obviously I missed this play. I was discussing getting in yesterday, and this would have been the most insane trade of my life, but it is not too late. Look to come back in on the pullback, and Zoom video is the next big thing. Let's be real, the Bears have lost every single time when betting against Zoom. So if you're bullish and you're not fighting the trend and you can make a nice profit on this stock, go for it.
Raise its outlook for the third quarter as well as the full year. In the current quarter, the company expects revenues to come in 685 to 690 million. Estimates were for something closer to 493 million. Adjusted to profit in this current quarter should be 73 to 74 cents per share.
They really are hyping this up, and well worth it. Zoom has done amazing, and people aren't done with it. They're still going to bet on Zoom. This means that the stock can hit 500 and continue to rise. Increase in the world's hedge funds, so people are buying it. Not just they're doing well with active users. With a volatile market, people want to find a stock that has done well. Do more at Friday University, like your own due diligence, and make more money. Let's go!